Totally in love with the avocado on the sub.
I love avocado so much, I started a Facebook page.
Well, you should post a picture of my new earrings.
This would go perfectly with this sweater I'm knitting.
I'm sorry, did you say something? I was just tending to my avocado tree.
Oops, I forgot to lock my avocado.
Have you met my firstborn son, Avocado?
Everyone loves avocado season at Subway. Add creamy avocado to your favorite sub or try it on a turkey and bacon avocado. Subway, eat fresh.
Hello everyone. The building over there is an abandoned Subway restaurant on Rossanley Drive in Medford, Oregon. So let's check this place out. Shall we begin? You can see the lyric where that one says Subway. Everything's paper up. There's work going on. It appears to me that something is moving in here. I don't know if the work progress is recent or it's been happening for the last few weeks. At least it's good to know that this place won't be abandoned anymore. I believe the Subway opened in between the late 2012 and the early 2013. Then they went out of business in 2020, I believe. I guess it has something to do with pandemic. It's a shame that many places have closed down because of that. This is going to be the final shot. And that's it. That's gonna wrap up for video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, share, by doing so. And until next time, peace out.